How to check that given grammar is LL1 or not by rules. Grammar is LL1 or not by rules. How to check? Suppose there are two rules. If G, or we can say the grammar G, don't have null production, or A tends to alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, we have 3 production and first of alpha 1 is suppose AB and first of alpha 2 we are supposing BC, because here this is common BC, so this is not LL1 because here this is common. In the similar way, if suppose we have A tends to alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 production and first of alpha 1 is AB and first of alpha 2 is CD and first of alpha 3 is CF. So here because C is common in both, so this is not LL1 grammar. So what are the rules? We can say simply in that way we can find out that first of alpha 1 intersection first of alpha 2 is equal to phi. It means there is no common, and first of alpha 2 intersection first of alpha 3 is equal to phi, and first of alpha 1 intersection first of alpha 3 is equal to phi. If all the conditions are true, or we can say it is pairwise disjoint, so this grammar is LL1. The second rule is, what is the second rule? Second rule is if G contain null production, if G contain null production, here there is no null production, but if the grammar contain null production, then what is the rule? Then rule is if A tells to alpha 2, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, instead of alpha 3, suppose if we are having null production, because here we are talking about null production, if we have this epsilon, it means null production, then what are the rules? Then first of alpha 1, suppose if have AB, and first of alpha 2 we are supposing CD, then, or in that case because we have null production, so we will see the follow of A, because if A is having null production in a grammar, then instead of first, what we will find out? We will find out follow of that A production. So if suppose it is AF, so here we can simply say this is also common, A is also common, so this is not LL1. And if we can say follow of A is equal to EF, it means there is no common in it, then it is okay, then we can say the grammar is LL1. So in the simple way we can say it should be pairwise disjoint, then the grammar, if the grammar is pairwise disjoint, then the grammar can be LL1. So these are the two rules through which we can find out the grammar is LL1 or not. In one case, if grammar don't have null production, then what are the rules? And in the second case, if grammar is having null production, then what are the rules?